Bole, Nigerian roasted plantain, is a delicious and filling street snack. And even though this yummy snack got its popularity on the streets, it can also be prepared at home in an oven, an open grill, or in a pan. Today I'll show you how to do this in your pan. I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. So I'll be using a ripe plantain for this, and the plantain is still firm and is also washed. Now I will be giving it a slit on the side and I'll peel off the coat. And when I'm done, I'll give this a slit on all sides, like the both sides, and this will help spices to penetrate inside, and that will give it a good taste too. And here is my foil paper. I'll be using foil paper for this recipe, and I'll place my plantain on the foil paper. And here is my vegetable oil, and I'll brush the oil over the plantain generously, and I'll flip over to the other side and brush it still with my vegetable oil. Next, I'll be adding in salt, and this is to your taste. I'll do it on the both sides. And next is my soya spice. This is totally optional, but if you do it, it will give it a great taste and you will like it. So I'm going to do this over to the other side too. When you are done with this, I'm going to wrap it. Okay, so I'm wrapping it with the foil paper. Wrap it in, and this is all. This is how it's looking when you are done wrapping. And I'll place this in my non-stick pan and put it on the heat. Do this on a low heat so it will not get burned. And you will turn this at interval to make sure all the side is well roasted. And for you to know if it is well cooked and is brown, open the foil paper and check if it is, and that will tell you if it is done or not. So with this, you will now know how to prepare bole from the very comfort of your home. And this is very easy to make. Okay, so while the bole is still on the heat, I'll go ahead to add in my palm oil in a pan. This is my roughly blended habanero and onion. Salt to taste. I'll give this a quick stir and I'll put it on the heat, on the low heat for a few minutes. And after this, we'll set this aside. And here is the moment of truth. So I'll go ahead to open my bole. It is done. When you see it like this, it is done. Please, if you are still watching till now and you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing, join the family, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop your comments at the comment section. And you can go ahead to share the video too. Show love to your sister. Okay, so this is how it is. So you can serve and enjoy with your pepper sauce, grilled fish, or roasted peanuts. So you see, this was very easy. Alright, so see you in my next one. So from me is bye bye.